Hello, Ian. Thank you for joining me today.
Hi, I'm Ian Bromley. I'm the founder and managing director of Inixion, having formed the organisation back in 2006.
What new technology are you actually excited about, Ian?
The only answer to that question at the moment has got to be artificial intelligence. We're hearing lots about AI in all industries at the moment, not just our ERP industry. And I think it's fair to say that it's equally exciting and scary as different industries adopt their view of what AI is. And I think in our industry, where we're dealing with inventory control, finance control, we have to be conscious to ensure that the implementation of AI is very carefully considered. So I can see AI emerging within the software industry in two main areas. So the first is AI embedded in the actual software. So to empower users to automate and simplify standard processes. For example, at the moment, if a customer emails the accounts receivable team within an organization for a copy of an invoice, the process that AR clerk will take is to read that email, work out what copy invoice is required, go to the ERP system, print out a PDF copy maybe of that invoice, attach it to an email, write an email back to the customer, and send it off. With the implementation of AI, we could use AI to sit and watch that inbox. So when that email comes in from the customer, AI can read it and understand what the customer requires, go off to the ERP system, generate a copy of the invoice, attach it to an email, and perhaps preview it back to the AR clerk with a pre-written response email, just so that they can read it, they can click send, and they can be happy that what's going back to the customer is correct. Now, the next step when confidence comes into how AI is working and how AI is analysing this kind of information, we can get to the point where that can be fully automated, so the AR clerk doesn't get involved at all. And really, the issue around this is trust. Vendors have to build into the ERP applications AI that is built on a solid foundation of trust. Because I think as soon as AI does something wrong, the users won't trust it, it will break down and users will stop using it. Just take that example of the invoice being sent back to a customer. Imagine if the AI picked up that email, read it, got the invoice number slightly wrong, picked up a different invoice, attached it to an email and sent it back to the customer, and suddenly you're exposing another customer's pricing and discounts to that customer. So, if that happens once in an organization, users will quickly lose the trust if AI delivers that kind of experience. And the other main area within our industry where AI is coming to fruition is actually in facilitating code development. So people are not sitting down and writing reams and reams of code manually when an AI tool can do it for you. So this is leading to much more rapid application development. And I think in the near future, it will allow us to create things like integrations between systems using fully documented APIs that the AI system can read and understand and create that integration without the need for developers to sit down for days on end to write reams and reams of code to create the integration. So I think it's all very exciting. It is definitely a bit scary, and we need to rely on the vendors to deliver this experience to the users, and maximizing the level of trust, especially in an accounting and inventory control system. The trust needs to be there.